In many cases, it is hard for a man to be in a relationship with a woman and let 1, 2 or even 6 months pass and he have not touched her, caresses her and make her feel the point of his passion, even if it is just to give her the tip, if you know what I mean. However, this writer today finds herself in a heart-wrenching dilemma. Yow, what's up my people, welcome back to Basic Principles YouTube channel. The channel that provides you with interesting stories out of Jamaica and around the world for your entertainment. You know the ropes already, please subscribe to the channel, like and share the video as we post videos daily. It might not seem much but it will really help out the channel a lot. We appreciate the support. Without further ado, today's letter is titled, My Man Has No Interest in Sex. The letter to the pastor reads,
Dear Pastor, I have been dating a man for the past 6 months. Whenever I ask him if he loves me, he says that he admires me. I told him that I love him and he says that is nice, let us keep it that way. Sometimes he takes me to the rural areas, but we have never stayed over at any hotel or any place like that. I always have a little bag packed, just in case he wants us to spend a night. My previous boyfriend used to tell me he loves me. Unfortunately, he became ill and died. He was lots of fun to be with. This man I am now dating questions me a lot. How can I tell whether he loves me? One day he said to me that I should be able to tell whether or not he loves me. I told him I want to hear it from him. After 6 months of being together, don't you think that we should know each other better, and it is time for us to make love? He does not show any interest in that. Even if I wear the shortest skirt, he does not have any comment. I have tried to tease him that way, but he does not react. I don't want to waste my time with this man. He is 40 years old. When I go to his house and offer to cook for him, he loves that. However, if I go for a nap, he would not even come into the bedroom while I am in there. I wonder if this man is normal. I also wonder if I am pushing myself too much on him. I have never met a man like him. The man who died used to be all over me when we were alone. However, that is not the case with this man, who is not even a Christian. What do you think of him and of this relationship? Ara.
Dear Ara, I am sorry to hear that you lost your boyfriend, and that this new man is not showing as much interest in you as you would like. Perhaps he is still testing you. He thinks that 6 months is too short of time for him to express how he feels about you. Don't push too hard, you will soon find out how he feels about you and where the relationship is going. This man is not ready to make love to you and he does not believe that having sex is a necessary way to show love. If he did not appreciate you and want you around, he would not invite you out or have you come to his house. I can understand why you find this man very strange for not being in a hurry to get between your legs. Pastor.
Okay guys, we heard what the pastor had to say, so let us check out what the people had to say about this situation. J. Jones said, really pastor? After 6 months of dating you don't find it strange why this man makes no attempt to have sex with this woman? No cuddling, kissing, and no close body contact. Yes, the guy is strange as they come. Susie replied to J. Jones. Maybe she is just a front for who he really is. He could be batting for the other side. I suggest you walk away now, but only you can make that decision. Also, it is not as if he is a young male, he is 40 years old. There's something about him that you do not know. Tony G added to the conversation. Pastor, some of your advice seems like it comes from the spirit out of the white rum bottle. TV Stream JM said. The man is wise, he is playing a mind game. Can we talk to replied to that comment. Of all the replies posted thus far, I'm more inclined to agree with you. If this writer really and truly understood what time it was, she'd be just as cool, calm and collected as her partner. Her interest should be no more or no less than what he is exhibiting towards her. Women in general would do themselves an immense favor to read and discern the tone of the relationship. Vernal added to the thread. Nope. He is just not into her. She should move on. Girl Wonder also chipped in and said, far too many of our women believe that sex is the answer, and that's the main reason why we have so many fatherless children and women claiming to be struggling single mothers. Anita Ram jokingly added. What? What for dinner, fish or shark? Just asking? Donnie also joined in and said, this man is probably conflicted and in pain in a place like Jamaica. He probably does not really like the scent of a woman. Know what I mean? Someone added, swimming. Density said, him abnormal, yes. Then Arawak77 replied to Density. If a man doesn't show sexual interest in a woman who seems pushy and is comparing her new man to her old, isn't it normal? Give me a break. This is why it's pointless to date women like her. She will forever compare the current man with the old. Who wants to live like that? King Ironside from Rose Lane looks like he want to take this man's woman away, he said. Come check me. Tree bark ready. Vernal added again. Well, indirectly he is telling you that he loves you because when you tell him, you love him, he says that is nice, let us keep it that way. So you are 6 months in a bland, sexless relationship and even when you offer it up, he is not interested. He is slowly eroding your confidence as well, as he does not even compliment you. Some relationships start fiery, some slow, so wait another 6 months and see, okay. And the last comment comes from Sheldon John. Pastor is right. If the man did not like you or care for you, he would not have allowed you to go to his home or to even eat from you. This is a decent man with abstinence and class. What are you looking for? A man that will jump in bed with anything that moves, walks or crawls? Learn some abstinence too so you can keep your legs shut for once and allow the love, commitment and intimacy to flow naturally in due course. Who to tell if it's not you who oversexed your ex to his death? Shake my head. Well, there you have it, guys. If I was in that situation, I would probably think my partner does not love me, but everyone has their reason for what they do. There is always a method to the madness. But, let us know what you think in the comment section. Also, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you do not miss the next video. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Love.